Well, hey everybody. Good morning to yous. Just sitting around right now, relaxing. I already been out and watered the birds, collected their eggs. Right now I'm just sitting here. Here shortly I'm going to have to go out and get some firewood cut up so that way that can get done and out of the way. There's not a lot going on. Just been sitting here watching Highway Through Hell. Just seen the tail of it, and I kind of was wondering what it was about, so I'm watching a little bit about that to see what it's about. But other than that, just relaxing right now, and I may take you guys out with me while I cut up a little bit of wood. So talk to you guys in a little bit. Alright guys, I'm going to head out and cut up some firewood. I was just out a little bit ago and cut up some, but I still need to get more cut up, so we're going to head out and get some more cut up right now. I just got the GoPro dug out, so I'm going to head out there and start cutting up a little bit more firewood, so that way we've got more enough to get through the night till tomorrow, so that way I can cut up more firewood tomorrow. So I'll see you guys out there.
Hey everybody, I'm home from work and I'm making dinner. This is some of the turkey from last night with onions and spices, and I'm browning it in spray butter. And then what I'm going to do is make these into mashed potatoes, and what I'm going to do is use skim milk and spray butter so they're not fattening. And mix it all to this in with the potatoes, and then that's dinner. So that should be pretty good. Work was pretty calm today, not a big deal. All I ate today was a bowl of cereal, which was measured, and a sandwich, which was healthy. And then I'm going to be eating this, and then that's it. And if I'm way low on calories, maybe I can have a bowl of cereal later as a snack. But that's it. And then I'll be riding the bike after dinner. So this is the finished product. I know it looks like somebody puked in the pan, but it's actually really good.
Well, that's pretty good puke in the pan.
No, I didn't. And you can mix a lot of things in with mashed potatoes, like hamburger or turkey burger or chicken or turkey or steak or whatever you want to do. And we're going to put this gravy over top of it. I only warmed up a little bit of the gravy last night because there was a whole bunch left. What are you watching?
I'm trying to watch TV, but I can't when they keep on pausing it on me.
Well, it yells and screams, so nobody wants to hear that while they're trying to listen to us.
Maybe they do.
It's a show like Ice Road Truckers, but it's not Ice Road Truckers. Highway to Hell or something like that?
Highway Through Hell.
Okay, so this guy is all like, oh my god, this is going on, and that is going on, and oh my god, stretch, blah, blah, blah.
Yeah,
on and on and on.
Better than some of the stuff that you watch.
All this dramatic sounding talking.
Yeah.
What's wrong with what I watch? I watch American Horror Story, that's not bad. Hey, at least I stopped trying to make you watch My Little Pony.
Yeah, well, that's about as stupid as watching the Yaya Sisters.
Well, I don't even know what that is.
It's a stupid movie. For retarded people that like to watch it.
Alright, well, I'm going to make you your bowl of food so you can eat it now.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Standing on the side of your foot again, huh?
That's just what I do. Don't worry about it.
Well, I'm gonna paddle foot.
Tug, you want a treat? Come on. Come get a treat.
Forces Jade to lay off 2 of his top guys.
You want one? You want it? Come get it. Pull! Pull! You want one now? Sammy? No, you can't have his. Here you go.
We're trying to hurry up there. It's an hour before sunset.
Is that good?
I don't know if it's a really.
What are you doing? Slapping him?
Get there and the whole hood could be ripped
No?
What were you doing?
Petting them?
Oh.
Why, you want me to slap you?
No.
Oh, come here, bend over and I'll slap you around the ass.
Oh.
Nice firm slap around the ass, leave a handprint.
No.
Hit black ice
Yep.
and sweat
That
on the
needs
rain.
cheat.
Well, we have one episode of American Horror Story Coven to go, which we're about to watch. And I tried to ride the bike, but I ended up being 17 minutes short because I had a low blood sugar attack while I was on the bike. And I don't know why that happened. But doing it for 28 minutes is better than not doing it at all.
Wish much tomorrow to make up for today.
No, you have never had low blood sugar. You don't understand how bad it feels. How weak you get.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah?
And the reason that happens to me is because when I was 18, my body ran completely out of potassium. And I was stuck in bed for a week in a horrible constant low blood sugar attack. So bad that my fingers were even numb. I couldn't move, I couldn't do anything. And I finally got taken to the doctor, and they figured out what was wrong, and I had to be on vitamins for like a year. Ever since then, I've always had low blood sugar attacks. I think part of the problem right now is that I bought the wrong kind of vitamins last time. I accidentally bought the over 50 vitamins. I was supposed to have the under 50 vitamins, and when I had the under 50 vitamins, I never had low blood sugar attacks. So, next time I have money, I'm going to have to get the right vitamins, because these ones are not working for me. And how are you doing tonight?
Waiting for you to carry in my firewood.
No.
Yeah.
Especially not right now, I'm still weak.
Well, then all more reason to carry in the firewood.
No.
Your feet's dressed.
No, they're not. Where do you get that idea from? Yours are. Look, shoes.
No, mine's not dressed.
Yes, they are.
No, I'm barefoot. You got shoes on.
Well, we're going to go ahead and say goodnight, and we hope that you enjoyed the video, and you like, subscribe, comment, share, and you're having a good night.
Where do you get the wee shit from?
You, me and you.
What do you say that for, Boogie?
I don't know. Say goodnight.
Well, you say your good morning.
No.
Yeah. Because by the time they get it, it's going to be morning.
Yeah, well.
Well, there you go.
Bye.
Here's an eye.